Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Eye Comfort Shield in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn on our Eye Comfort Shield, the easiest and the fastest way is to swipe from the top again, and we are looking for, yes, go away, and we are looking for Eye Comfort Shield, and here it is. Tap it once and our comfort shield is turned on. Alternatively, we can go to settings, then under display we have our Eye Comfort Shield right here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.